we're going to do some frisbee and frisbee golf. Frisbee golf and frisbee golf. Pro style. No, I would not like the changes. I'm good at the game, so I'm not saying I'm the best than you. I'm saying I'm super good. How? LMG. That was perfecto. So relax. Oh my god.
Right on target.
Okay? This is coming out good. I'm just waiting for that one stupid move. Okay. Don't go. Hit Seagull. No. I want to see how close I am. Are you kidding me? I was so close. Does anybody go for the balloon challenge? What? I'm just wondering because I don't. Like, I try to, but I don't like to. Like, yes, I don't want to, but no, I don't want to. Just relax and throw naturally. Lazy dog. Are you going to fall asleep because I'm so bad at the game? Huh? I was trying to glide. Oh, whoa.
Incredible.
That was awesome. If I get this 50 and 100, and then another 50 and 100, I might beat my score. Or I can just literally almost go backwards. That's one thing I can do. Or I can go the other way. And oh god. Hey! Nay! Ugh. That was bad. It was okay. Hamburger, I actually did that, but no one's gonna believe me. So, finished. And now, my non-favorites that I really hate. I hate frisbee. I hate frisbee golf. We're gonna do the shortest 9 holes. There's the word A. I hate this so much. My best was 11 plus. I'm so bad at this game that I hate. Wait. This was the what? No way. This is actually from Wii Sports. Like this is an actual course from Wii Sports. I swear if you go into the gosh darn water, I will. Oh, I'll get a knife and open your neck. Yep, that's a fact. I don't even know what I'm doing. No, why the heck did you go in to the tree? Come on! I was close enough. How did I do that? That was perfecto. Oh my. Okay, that was good. Oh my god. Please. Oh, look how baby it is. It looks like the golden medal for Olympics. I got this for losing. I'm gonna yeet this. Hey, what the heck? No way! Oh my god! Oh. Okay, score 2+, not bad. This one's recommended. I wonder, is this an actual thing? Oh my god! I recommend it. Oh yeah. It says 30 yards. Hey! That was awesome. Never mind, I might like this. Oh, thanks to me being super good at frisbee dog. Or thanks to me being a stupid idiot. No! Water hazard! Wait, throw free. What? Congratulations! Okay. Are you kidding me? This was so good! And then everything is turning upside down. I'm dying. Ow. My stomach. Oh god, I feel so tired. Thank you, Frisbee, for doing nothing. I'm literally gonna die. No, what I mean is I'm too tired. I'm too tired. I'm stupid tired. I barely went anywhere. Derriere. Oh god, I'm on throw 7. Recommended piece. Please be straight. Thank you, God. Oh! That's lightning clap. Woo! Woo! Recommended. Use the fetus. My mommy got a penis. No! Stumble! I'm gonna literally eat it like I did. What was wrong with that? I did it in the last round. A new record, babies. I hate you so much, brother. Well, that was the end of today's video. I really hope you liked it. So, goodbye.